Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall BitPay app wallet and manage payouts, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the BitPay app on your device. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall or remove. Next, open your device's settings. Navigate to the apps or applications section. Find BitPay in the list of installed apps. Tap on BitPay to access its settings page. Select storage and then clear data to remove all stored information. After clearing data, you can confirm the uninstallation process if required. To manage your payouts, open your preferred web browser. Visit the BitPay official website and log into your account. Navigate to the payouts section on the dashboard. Here, you can review your payout history and statuses. To add a new payout method, select the option to do so. Input the required information for the new payout method. Ensure all details are accurate before saving. You can also adjust payment preferences in the settings area. Review the tax implications of your payouts if necessary. For any further assistance, consult the BitPay Help Center. This concludes the process for uninstalling the BitPay app wallet and managing your payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.